Could a simple squash be the answer to balancing blood sugar levels naturally? Enter chayote, a tropical fruit that many overlook. Rich in fiber and antioxidants, chayote can help regulate glucose levels and improve insulin sensitivity, making it ideal for those managing diabetes. Studies show that chayote supports healthy blood sugar levels by slowing carbohydrate absorption and stimulating insulin production. Incorporating chayote into your diet is easy. Use it in salads, stir-fries, or even blend it into a refreshing smoothie. Discover how this humble fruit can become a natural ally in your journey towards healthier blood sugar management.